AI is changing the workforce. Fast. But is it here to steal your job? Or actually help you level up? Let's break it down. Right now, AI is automating repetitive tasks. Think data entry, customer service, and even some creative work. But here's the twist. It's not just about replacing jobs. It's about transforming them. AI is creating new opportunities. Jobs in AI development, data science, and even AI ethics are booming. Plus, it's helping us work smarter, not harder. The key? Upskilling. Learning to work AI, not against it, is the ultimate career hack. So, is AI taking your job? Maybe. But it might just give you a better one. Stay curious, keep learning, and let's embrace the future of work together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.